Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Batch Apex, execution of Batch Apex, advantage and disadvantage. Batch Apex is used to process large volumes of records asynchronously in smaller manageable chunks, which helps avoiding hitting governor limits. This feature is essential for operations that need to process a significant number of records and cannot be accomplished within the standard transition limits. Batch Apex is a powerful feature in Salesforce that enables processing large volumes of data efficiently. Its ability to handle large datasets, manage governor limits, and process asynchronously makes it invaluable for complex data operations. By default, creating batch size is 200. It broke a single job into smaller parts. Batch Apex class must implement database.batchable interface. Execution of Batch Apex. Demo batch b equals to new demo batch b dot execute system dot debug b, it's for displaying the information. Methods of Batch Apex. Methods of Batch Apex database.batchable interface contains three methods: start, execute and finish. Start, global database.query locator, iterable as object, start, database.batchable context bc. In curly braces, we are writing the code. Execute method, global void execute database.batchable context bc list of. Here we have to mention the object, and in curly braces we are writing the code. Finish method, global void finish database.batchable context bc. In the curly braces we are writing the code. Advantages of Batch Apex: handling large data volumes. Batch Apex processes records in manageable chunks, allowing operations on large data sets without exceeding governor limits. Asynchronous processing. Batch Apex runs asynchronously, enabling long-running operations to be performed without blocking the user interface or other processes. Governor limit management. Each batch invocation has its own set of governor limits, allowing the processing of large number of records without hitting the limits. Scalability. Batch Apex is scalable and can handle millions of records efficiently, making it suitable for large-scale data processing tasks. Stateful batch processing. Using the database.stateful interface, developers can maintain state across transition boundaries, allowing the accumulation of result or data throughout the batch execution. Disadvantages of Batch Apex. Complexity. Implementing Batch Apex can be complex, especially for developers new to asynchronous processing and managing state across transitions. Longer processing times. Depending on the volume of data and batch size, data jobs can take a considerable amount of time to complete, potentially delaying results. Resource contention. Running multiple batch jobs simultaneously or during peak hours can lead to resource contention, affecting system performance. Limited debugging. Debugging batch jobs can be challenging due to their asynchronous nature and the large volume of data processed, making it harder to identify and fix issues. Transitional consistency. Each batch is processed in a separate transition, which can lead to inconsistencies if records are modified between batch executions. Example, let's discuss a scenario where Batch Apex is used. Implement batch apex to handle the mass update efficiently. Create a batch apex class and execute it. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Just click on setup, developer console, right click, open link in new tab to write the apex class. So click on file, new, apex class. Batch demo. Batch demo, I am providing the name of the class batch apex. Click OK. Public class batch demo implements database.batchable as object. Query to fetch all opportunities. Public database.query locator start database.batchable context bc. String query select id close state from opportunities where close state is not equals to null. Return database.getQueryLocator passing query. Public void execute database.batchable context bc. List of opportunity scope. List of opportunity to updates. New list of opportunity. Date today equals to date.today, capturing today's date. For opportunity OPP scope, if opportunity dot close date is smaller than today, then opportunity dot stage name equals to closed one. Else if opportunity dot close date is greater than today, opportunity dot stage name equals to prospecting. Opportunity to updates dot add OPP this. If not opportunity to updates is empty, update opportunity to updates. Public void finish database.batchable context bc. Send a notification or perform any final actions. System.debug batch process complete. So to execute this batch debug, open execute anonymous window. Execute the batch job with a batch size of 200 records. Batch demo batch job equals to new batch demo. Database dot execute batch job 200. Execute highlighted. So it's executed successfully. Thank you.